Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how you can find your IBAN number in Santander. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing you can do over here to find your IBAN number in Santander is log into your Santander account and navigate to payments and transfers and then select international payments to view your complete IBAN instantly. You can also find this on your bank statement, so it is clearly printed on all account statements, both paper as well as electronic versions. This is for easy reference. Then you can use Santander's online IBAN calculator by entering your sort code and your account number to generate your IBAN immediately. This is how it will be formatted. So this is a standard UK IBAN format. It contains 22 characters and it follows a very specific structure. So the country code is the first two digits, then there is a 15 check digits, and then there's the Santander bank code, thereafter your sort code, and then your account number. So this is what it will look like. On the right hand side, you can see here, this is the format.